Today, we are going to teach you how to remove the water valve and gas valve from your unit to exchange it for a new one. Make sure your gas and water connections are off before unmounting the unit. You will need an impact drill, Phillips head drill mount, and a piece of cloth or towel. We will begin by removing the front knobs. If removing the front knobs becomes difficult, try using a piece of cloth or towel to give you more leverage. Now, we will remove the two bottom screws located at each corner of the unit, then remove the 4 screws on the top of the unit. If you have a 16-liter unit, you will only have 2 screws located at the bottom of each corner. Slowly remove the front cover and unplug the cables going to the digital display. Remove the control board cables attached to the burner. Unscrew the pressure relief valve. Now, we will remove the ground wire from the gas valve. Remove the wires attached to the top of the battery compartment box. Unscrew heat exchanger from water valve. Unscrew water valve holding plate from behind unit's case. Unscrew water valve from burner assembly. Unscrew gas valve holding plate from unit's case. Separate heat exchanger pipe from water valve and remove water valve and gas valve from the unit. Unscrew gas valve from water valve. Make sure to place spring correctly when exchanging water valve or gas valve. Screw gas valve and water valve back together. If water valve is new, attach holding plate to new water valve. Place gas and water valve back into the unit and place heat exchanger pipe into the water valve. Make sure the O-ring is properly placed before reattaching heat exchanger to water valve. Screw water valve holding plate into the unit's case from behind the unit. Screw water valve and burner assembly together. Screw gas valve holding plate into unit's case. Reattach gas solenoid connection. Reattach microswitch connection. Plug battery cables back to battery compartment. Reattach burner cables. Make sure cable with blue stripe goes attached to the thermocouple. Screw pressure relief valve back on. Reattach digital panel and place the front cover back on. Place all 6 screws into the top and bottom of front cover and reinsert the knobs. If you have any further questions, please contact Marey Technical Support.